Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Whizzy Will Decal Remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to restore the pristine look of their vehicles or equipment, effortlessly lifting stubborn decals, stickers, and adhesive residues without causing damage to the underlying surface, making it an indispensable addition to any DIY enthusiast's or professional detailer's arsenal. Number 5. SUNEX Tools SX8200 Surface Blaster Kit. Introducing the SUNEX Tools SX8200 Surface Blaster Kit, your ultimate solution for tough surface preparation. It's designed for complete rust, paint, and pinstripe removal. Experience superior control with its 180-degree rotating handle. This feature allows you to maneuver easily around complex shapes and tight spaces. At its core lies a robust planetary gear system. This advanced mechanism ensures maximum efficiency and durability for demanding jobs. It delivers increased torque, providing the power needed to cut through the most stubborn materials. Tackle challenging projects with confidence. Achieve a perfectly prepped surface every time. This tool is engineered to make your restoration and finishing tasks simpler and more effective. What we like. This tool is designed for complete removal of tough materials like rust and paint. Its 180-degree rotating handle and planetary gear system provide increased torque for powerful performance. If you're tackling heavy-duty jobs requiring maximum power and control, this is the choice for you. What people say. This product is amazing, it removed the decal with ease. I was able to remove a stubborn decal in under 5 minutes. The Whizzy wheel is a must-have for anyone who needs to remove decals. Number 4. Wonder Wheel Decal Remover Eraser for Drill. Tired of struggling with stubborn decals and stickers? Our rubber wheel makes removal a breeze, cleaning surfaces effectively without causing any damage. Crafted from high-quality materials, this tool is built to last. It ensures long-lasting effectiveness for all your decal stripping needs. Easily attach it to any standard drill. In seconds, you'll have a powerful tool ready to tackle any decal removal job. You can confidently use this on your vehicles. Its gentle yet effective design will preserve the integrity of the underlying surface. Get double the efficiency with this 2-pack. It's perfect for tackling large projects or keeping a spare for future use. What we like. Experience hassle-free decal removal without damaging surfaces. This rubber wheel is crafted for long-lasting use and easily attaches to any standard drill. If you need a safe and efficient solution for cars, boats, or RVs, especially for larger projects, this dual pack offers great value. What people say. It is a great tool for removing decals. This tool is very effective at removing stickers. Number 3. 3M Stripe Off Wheel Adhesive Remover 4-inch. Tired of stubborn decals and stripes? This tool is engineered to safely remove unwanted adhesives without damaging the surface underneath. It makes tough jobs easy. Beyond just stripes, it's also perfect for removing vinyl, tape, and graphics. Get a clean finish on a variety of materials with one versatile tool. Easily attach it to most drills and rotary tools. It's designed for optimal performance up to 4,000 revolutions per minute, giving you the power you need. Its 4-inch diameter and 5/8-inch thickness make it perfect for tackling small, detailed areas. Achieve precision results where larger tools can't reach. This solid molded wheel is built for durability. Enjoy a long service life and consistent performance, job after job. Designed for high-speed removal, it helps you get the job done faster. Spend less time scraping and more time admiring your work. The included 3/8 to 16 threaded mandrel ensures quick and easy attachment to your existing tools. Get set up and start removing in no time. What we like. Engineered to safely remove unwanted decals and stripes without altering the material underneath. It works fast and is ideally suited for small, hard-to-remove detailing. If you are focused on precision work in tight spots and prioritize preserving the original finish, this is your go-to option. What people say. This is a great tool for removing decals. It works very well and is easy to use. Number 2. Chemical Guys Decon Pro Iron Remover and Wheel Cleaner. Introducing our professional-grade iron remover and wheel cleaner. It's designed to tackle tough brake dust and road grime on your wheels, brakes, and exterior surfaces. This powerful formula targets and dissolves embedded iron deposits and stubborn dirt that regular washing can't handle. It effectively prepares your vehicle's surfaces for further detailing steps. Watch as it works. The spray turns purple upon contact with iron particles, visually indicating that it's breaking down grime and debris. You'll see the deep cleaning action in progress. Our advanced formula is safe for use on a variety of surfaces, including painted wheels, clear-coated rims, calipers, and other exterior areas. It cleans effectively without causing damage. Achieve fast results with minimal effort. Simply spray it directly onto cool surfaces, let it react, and then rinse it away. It's an easy process for efficient detailing. This is an essential product for both routine cleaning and deep degreasing before applying protective treatments. Ensure your wheels and paintwork are perfectly clean and ready for the next step. What we like. This professional strength formula targets and dissolves embedded iron deposits, brake dust, and road grime. Its color-changing action visually shows the breakdown of grime, delivering deep cleaning results. If you're looking for a powerful yet safe way to tackle stubborn wheel contamination and prepare surfaces for further detailing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great tool for removing decals. It works very well and is easy to use. Number 1. TCP Global Rubber Eraser Wheel with Drill Adapter. Tired of stubborn stickers and decals? This tool is designed to quickly and efficiently remove pinstripes, vinyl, tape, and more. It's safe for use on cars, trucks, RVs, and signs. Unlike abrasive methods, this decal remover uses friction to lift away unwanted graphics without scratching your paint. It's safe for use on cured enamel and urethane paints, ensuring no damage. This tool comes with a drill adapter and a 5/16 to 24 threaded arbor for easy attachment to your drill. It operates best between 1,500 and 3,000 revolutions per minute, up to a maximum of 4,000 revolutions per minute. Simply apply light pressure and use a side-to-side motion or the full wheel for effective removal. Any remaining residue can be cleaned with a mild solvent. Remember to wear protective gear for safety. From sandpaper to polishers, TCP Global provides premium tools for fast and cost-effective work. Experience the performance of our high-quality products. What we like. This rubber wheel swiftly removes pinstripes, decals, and emblems using friction, not abrasives, ensuring a scratch-free finish on cured enamel urethane paint. It's easy to use with a drill and includes a helpful stop-use line for safety. If you prioritize a damage-free removal process and appreciate user-friendly features, this tool is ideal. What people say. This tool made removing old decals a breeze. It was so easy to use, just a few passes and the decal was gone. The design of the Whizzy wheel is clever. It attaches to a drill and spins, effectively scraping off the adhesive without damaging the surface underneath. I was impressed by how quickly it removed stubborn vinyl lettering. It saved me a lot of time and effort compared to using a razor blade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.